Hi, I'm doing this quick video to show you how I'm able to have 3 WhatsApp apps operating on my dual SIM phone. Now, if you like such content on digital marketing, online businesses, and various opportunities on the internet, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Leave a like, leave a comment, and share if you find this helpful for others to also benefit. Now, this video would really benefit those who, let's say, have different things they are doing and will prefer that their audiences or their relations would relate to them on different levels. So for example, I have my main WhatsApp, which you find at the bottom left of the screen you are seeing, and that WhatsApp is for my friends, my colleagues, my former classmates, and anybody I want to have a platonic relationship with. So people I want to relate with on a normal vibe. Everything is cool. I mean, we're having fun. I can post something funny on my status. We can all laugh. That's the number I've given them on that WhatsApp app so that we can relate on that level. All my broadcast lists on that level are friends and other relations I find on a platonic level. Now, above it is my dual WhatsApp, and I'll show you how to install a dual WhatsApp on your phone. And that's for my customers, those I advertise my products to, usually, let's say through Facebook ads or other platforms. And once they buy my product, I tell them, hey, store this contact. All right. After they store the contact, I send them a message thanking them for the purchase, and then I add them to my broadcast list. Now they are able to view my status, so I'm able to advertise other products that they are likely to be interested in since they are a buying audience. And then below again, in the middle, you're seeing my WhatsApp business, which is mainly for business partners, which is mainly for people interested in online business opportunities and other prospects. So I have that WhatsApp. I post value entertainment or value content on that status, and have broadcast lists for people that I'm either coaching, training, or have bought any of my digital products. So this is for people like me, okay, who want to help people relate with us on different common grounds. So if you're like that, then let me quickly show you how to install 3 WhatsApp apps and operate them at the same time on your phone. Now, this will be beneficial mainly for Android users. I'm not sure if Apple users or iPhone users can operate this. So let's get into it. So first of all, to be able to operate this, you have to install your main WhatsApp app. So let's go to our Play Store, and then we search for WhatsApp, and then it comes. Now, if you're a first-time user, you will see install, but because I have been using the app, I already have it on my phone. It's there as open, right? So when I click on it, it takes me straight to my WhatsApp. Now you can click on install or any icon there that shows that you're downloading the app or installing the app. And once you're done, you'll be required to put in your phone number, after which if let's say you have it's an already used, let's say, number on WhatsApp, and you have a backup on a cloud, it would download all the backup, that's your former chat and videos and images you have sent to anybody on that number, and then you can now continue from where you left off. And I advise that if you're like that, please do that, okay, just in case. Please ensure that you install that backup just in case. Then after installing this main WhatsApp, you've logged in and everything, you want to install your dual WhatsApp, okay, which is the WhatsApp on top of my main WhatsApp at the left side of your screen. So for that, you go to settings. So I dropped down my home page and I clicked on settings at the top, and then you search for dual. So as you can see, dual messenger comes at the top and it is under advanced features. So maybe in case you can't find it, okay, you can also search for parallel. Yeah, parallel or dual. Yes, and it's under advanced features. So I tap on it, and then under advanced features, I see dual messenger. So I click on dual messenger, and I'm given the option to install dual apps of all these apps you are seeing. So I can install the dual WhatsApp, I can install the dual Facebook, I can install the dual Telegram, I can install the dual messenger. All right. And what this means is that you can have different accounts operating, okay, on your main and also on your dual app. I hope you understand that. So for WhatsApp and Telegram mainly, you can have a different number. Like me, I have a dual SIM. So I have my main number SIM1 on my main account, and then SIM2 on my dual account. All right, good. And you just have to tap on it to install it. And once you're done installing it, just like the main WhatsApp, you'll be required to put in a phone number. You put in your they'll send you what we call an OTP, a one-time password, which is about 6 digits via SMS, just to be sure that that's your number. Okay, and you just put it in. If you have any backup, again, you just download the backup, and as simple as that, you've installed your dual WhatsApp. You see. Now the last one is your WhatsApp business. So again, this time around, you go to Play Store and then you search WhatsApp business. Okay, as soon as it comes, if you're a first time user, you see install. So you tap on it and then you install it just like the normal one. Again, you put in your number. Now somebody may wonder, how come you have a dual SIM phone and yet you are able to have 3 WhatsApps? It's simple. WhatsApp does not necessarily need your SIM card to be in your phone as at the time of installation. What it needs is that SIM card should be in any phone, so that when they send you the OTP, that's the one-time password, which is the 6 digits, you just have to put it in and that's it, you have installed it. Okay, so for example, with my WhatsApp business, I had the SIM card in my non-smartphone, okay, and then when the OTP was sent on it, I just inputted it on this phone as you're seeing on your screen, and that was it. I was able to install my WhatsApp business, and as simple as that, I have it. So this is how you can have 3 WhatsApp apps operating on your phone. I know there's a new WhatsApp update where you can have the same number operating on different WhatsApps. Maybe you can try that out. If I find any content that's useful for you, I would also post it here. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, please like it, leave a comment and share. All right, thank you.